So I have a new porch swing from Garvey to share. This one can handle up to 600 pounds. It was really easy to assemble. It didn't really take very long. And it's a lot lighter than some of the others. But this one could accommodate up to 3 different people on here. It does have an awning here at the top that's really easy to adjust. All you gotta do is unscrew this here, and then you could tilt this into whichever direction you'd like to have it. So if you want more blocking in the back or the front, you have that option. And then there's a screw on the other side for the same exact thing. Now this swing is made to be weather resistant and it does not come off. But it's a decent porch swing. It's really easy to assemble, easy to set up the awning and to adjust it. And overall, it's just a pretty nice swing. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.